Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best baking dishes for the oven that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're baking lasagna, casseroles, or desserts, these dishes have something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 6-piece non-stick carbon steel oven-safe bakeware set. This versatile and affordable set includes 6 essential pieces: 2 round cake pans, a loaf pan, a 12-cup muffin pan, a baking sheet, and a roaster pan. Whether you're baking bread, cupcakes, or roasting vegetables, this set covers all your basic needs. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and makes cleanup a breeze. However, keep in mind that hand washing is recommended to maintain the coating's longevity. The build quality of this set is solid for its price point. The heavyweight carbon steel construction ensures even heating, so you don't end up with unevenly baked goods. However, it's worth noting that the set is oven-safe only up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, which might be a limitation for some recipes. Additionally, the lack of dishwasher compatibility may be inconvenient for some users. The Amazon Basics bakeware set is perfect for beginners or occasional bakers looking for an all-in-one solution. Priced at $32.49, it's one of the most budget-friendly options that still delivers reliability. While it doesn't have the premium feel of some higher-end options, it's a practical choice for everyday baking. Pros include its affordability and variety, while cons are the lower temperature limit and hand-wash-only care instructions. At number 4, we have the Malacasa Casserole dishes for oven, a set of 4 porcelain baking dishes that offer a premium aesthetic and versatile functionality. The set includes 4 sizes ranging from 0.8 to 3 quarts, making it ideal for everything from individual portions to family-sized meals. The textured design and smooth, glossy finish make these dishes not only practical, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. They're oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, which adds convenience to your cooking routine. The porcelain material is lead-free, non-toxic, and resistant to scratches and chips. It also retains heat well, ensuring your meals stay warm longer. However, these dishes are a bit heavier than other materials like glass or carbon steel, which might be a consideration if you're frequently moving them in and out of the oven. Despite their weight, the ergonomic handles make them easy to grip. This set is perfect for those who value both form and function. The Malacasa bakeware is an excellent choice for gifting, thanks to its elegant design and versatility. While the price is not listed, it's clear that this set offers durability and style, making it a worthwhile investment. The pros are its high-quality porcelain build and variety of sizes, while the cons are the heavier weight and potentially higher price point. Coming in at number 3 is the MMCIRCO 8-piece deep glass baking dish set. This set includes 4 borosilicate glass baking dishes and 4 tight-fitting plastic lids, making it a fantastic option for baking, serving, and storing. The sizes range from 1 quart to 3.2 quarts, making it versatile enough for lasagna, casseroles, desserts, and more. The clear glass design allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, and it doubles as an attractive serving dish. What sets this set apart is its durability. The borosilicate glass is resistant to temperature shocks, meaning it can go straight from the freezer to the oven without cracking. The lids are slosh-proof, making them great for preventing spills during transport or storage. However, the lids are plastic, so they're not oven-safe, and some users might find them less durable over time. This set strikes a great balance between functionality and style, especially for those who meal prep or frequently store leftovers. While the price isn't listed, it's a solid choice for anyone seeking long-lasting, multi-use bakeware. The pros include its temperature resistance and tight-fitting lids, while the cons are the lack of oven-safe lids and potentially higher weight compared to ceramic options. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Dowin Casserole dish, a 9x13 ceramic baking dish that combines functionality with a beautiful design. This dish is made from lead-free, pro-grade ceramic and can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. With a generous 4.2-quart capacity, it's perfect for cooking lasagna, casseroles, and large family meals. The soft white color and smooth glaze make it a timeless addition to your kitchen, and the double-handle design ensures safe and comfortable handling. Performance-wise, the Douyin dish excels in heat retention and even cooking. It's dishwasher, microwave, and freezer-safe, making it incredibly versatile for both cooking and storage. The deep design prevents spills, while the smooth glaze makes cleanup effortless. However, it doesn't come with a lid, which might be a downside for those who prioritize storage-friendly options. At $30.99, the Douyin dish is an excellent budget-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on quality. It's ideal for anyone looking for a durable, stylish baking dish for everyday use. The pros include its affordability, heat resistance, and classic design, while the cons are the lack of a lid and its heavier weight compared to glass options. Taking the #1 spot is the Pyrex Deep 3-pack glass baking dish set. This set includes 3 glass baking dishes in 9x13, 7x11, and 8x8 sizes, each paired with a BPA-free plastic lid. What makes this set stand out is its depth, up to 50% deeper than standard Pyrex dishes. This extra depth prevents spillovers and allows you to create layered dishes like lasagna or deep dish casseroles with ease. The high-quality, non-porous glass resists stains, odors, and flavors, ensuring your dishes stay as good as new. The lids fit snugly, making them perfect for storing leftovers or transporting dishes to a gathering. Like the MCI-RCO set, the glass is resistant to temperature shocks, but the deeper design gives it an edge in versatility. However, the lids are not oven-safe, which is something to keep in mind. Priced at $42.99, the Pyrex set is the premium option on this list. But it delivers exceptional value for its durability and versatility. It's ideal for home cooks who want a reliable, all-in-one solution for baking, serving, and storing. The pros include its deep design, high-quality glass, and snug-fitting lids, while the cons are the higher price and non-oven-safe lids. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.